Meanwhile, Malacanang hopes the 97 mayors summoned by the NBI could help shed light in the probe of the pork barrel scam. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte stressed it will also give chance to those linked to the scam to clear their names. The mayors were invited by the NBI in connection with allegations that 900 million pesos from the Malampaya Gas Fund intended for the rehabilitation of areas affected by typhoons Ondoy and Pepeng in 2009. The funds allegedly went to Janet Lim Napoles, who is accused of being the brains behind the anomaly.
Certainly, their cooperation is needed in the investigation. As some of them would probably tell you, lumalabas na rin yung mga reports na meron daw pong pineking signature, etc. Meron daw pong maraming bagay. So, it is also in the interest of those people named to clear their names. Kasi katulad ng Pangulo, importanteng malaman kung sino ba talaga yung kasangkot at kung sino yung nagamit lamang yung pangalan.
What about the other lawmakers, especially the senators or congressmen who are saying this is just a political maneuver, whatever?
Iwanan na po natin sa NBI kung nagawin po kung ano yung nararapat para po sa kanilang investigasyon.